the Allen key. As I said, turn it counterclockwise if you need to introduce more relief. Turn it clockwise if you need to take some of that relief out. Okay, so the next thing we'll have a look at is our action, which is the height of the strings from the fretboard. Now this affects playability. Obviously a high action, it's harder to press down on the frets. A very low action introduces the possibility of fret buzz. And this is subjective as well. I tend to like as lower action as I can get away with. Now every guitar is always going to have some fret buzz. It's more a case of just limiting the amount. So as I said, I like to go fairly low. But if you're not sure, a good starting point is to measure at the 12th fret, and you're looking for about 2.4 mil clearance from the top of the fret to the underside of the string. And on the high E side, just to count for the mass of the string, we're looking at about 1.6 mil. So as I said, we just run a steel rule or a string action ruler like this one, and just sit that on the 12th fret, and we're measuring to the underside of the string. So this is just a touch high, so I'm going to need to just lower that a little. And we're pretty close on the high E side. As I said, this is subjective, but if you're not sure, this will make a good starting point. So what I'm going to need to do is just tighten the bridge post here. That will recess it further into the hole, and that will just lower the action a little. And that's about right. So we got lucky there. It was only one adjustment. Normally it'd take a little bit longer than that, but that's how you do it. Just adjust the height. Also keep an eye on your tuning obviously as well.